If you think there really is such a thing as an uncleanable carpet, then you need to watch this. In order to put Chem-Dry's proprietary hot carbonating extraction cleaning process to the test, we're going to soil a piece of carpet with a mixture of dirt and cooking oil. Now, some might say this worst-case scenario is a homeowner's nightmare and an uncleanable mess, but not with Chem-Dry. As our power head runs over the soiled area, you see the true power of hot carbonating extraction. Millions of tiny bubbles help release and lift the dirt, grime, and oil to the surface where it's easily whisked away. Combining carbonation with our amplified extraction technology, Chem-Dry provides you with the best cleaning system and the best cleaning experience you can get, leaving your carpet sparkling clean and dry in hours, not days like most steam cleaners. Testing by an independent lab found that Chem-Dry's hot carbonating extraction cleaning process removed an average of 98% of common household allergens from carpet and upholstery, and 89% of airborne bacteria when combined with the sanitizer. Now that you've seen the true cleaning power of the Chem-Dry process, you may be asking yourself, what's the difference between Chem-Dry and steam cleaners? Typical steam cleaning relies on chemical-based cleaning solutions using soaps or detergents that leave behind a dirt-attracting residue, causing your carpets to look dirty soon after they're cleaned and possibly causing damage to carpet fibers over time. Chem-Dry uses the power of carbonation and a natural cleaning solution to safely and efficiently remove dirt and grime from carpets, so your carpets stay cleaner longer. Most steam cleaners use gallons of soapy water along with a high-pressure application that drive buckets of water down to the backing and pad of the carpet, resulting in long dry times and creating a breeding ground for mold, mildew, and bacteria. Chem-Dry's process uses about 80% less water, which is kinder to the planet, and a lower pressure application, allowing you to have clean, dry carpets in 1 to 2 hours instead of 1 to 2 days. Our green certified cleaning solution, The Natural, is safe for carpets and non-toxic, so it's also safe for kids and pets. Why does all of this matter? Because Chem-Dry isn't just focused on cleaning your carpets, upholstery, and other surfaces. Our mission is to leave you and your family with a healthier, happier home. Chem-Dry. We clean for your health like no one else.